What's up, my hippies? How y'all doing? How you doing? I know I'm looking a little busted right now, but that's okay. Hey, you trying to be Baddie on a budget? You know, this goes out to all the ladies out there who is trying to find some decent hair on a budget, ain't trying to spend too much, but wanna, like, you know what I'm saying, but look cute. One moment. What? Okay, so like I was saying, if you trying to be Baddie on a budget, you know what I'm saying? Now they got a lot of hair companies. You got AliExpress, where they got vendors, and they sell hair for a reasonable price. Merry Christmas, everybody. Happy New Year's, you know what I'm saying? So, with that being said, they got like a lot of specials and stuff like that. So, you might be able to do something, but if you can't find nothing, well, this is something, okay? And I'm about to try it out with you because I had these braids in, okay? And now, I like it when they grow out, but my man is getting tired of the braids, and he's like, baby, I need you to switch it up, you know what I'm saying? So got to switch it up for daddy. Oh my gosh, I gotta switch it up. So I'm looking a little bummy right now, but that's okay, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm about to switch it up real quick on them. So, baby mama got this, right? That's that shake and go. That's that shake and go. That's that shake and go. This is that shake and go, okay? This is by Naked Nature Shake and Go, okay? This is supposed to be 100% human hair Brazilian virgin Remy, okay? And it's a 7-piece set. I got the 18, 16, and 14 because that's the way my budget was set up. And I only paid $24 because I bought this on Amazon. It's a lot cheaper on Amazon. Now, ladies, I went to my local beauty supply store, and no, they wanted a little more than what I wanted to pay. And everybody else was getting it for, like, big deals. So, this is like... I was just like, no, hell no, I'm not paying that. If I'm gonna pay that, I might as well give me some like real legit bundles. You know what I'm saying? I might as well go to AliExpress. You know what I'm saying? So I didn't do that. What? Put some pants and some leggings on. I'll be with you in a minute. Sorry about that, y'all. I got kids and shit. So, anyway. Yeah. So, for Christmas, I got a gift card. Big Daddy gave me a gift card from Amazon. So, I paid $50, and then the difference was like $24. So, total, it came out to... Hold on, I got the receipt. It came out to $74.93. Now, this is from Amazon, okay? Now, for you to get 7 pieces, okay, of supposed human hair, okay, 100%, okay, 7 pieces, okay, that's 2 bundles of 18, 2 bundles of 16, 2 bundles of 14, ooh, the light, and a 14-inch closure. Now, they do have it in different lengths. They have it in 10, I believe 10, 12, and 14, and then I believe they have it also, everybody knows this one, 18, 20, and 22. Okay, the way my budget was set up, and even on Amazon, I found that 7-piece set for, I want to say it was like $130. Okay, so it's still reasonable if you don't want to spend that much money. Okay, so the bundle's coming straight. I just wanted to open it with you guys, okay? I'm actually waiting on some other hair, my birthday hair, so I'm excited about that. But right now, I'm trying to debate on whether I want to do this as a wig or as a weave. Knowing me, I'll probably do it as a weave in the beginning, and then turn it into a wig later. I don't know. I'm kind of like low-key missing a weave right now. But, I mean, I'm feeling the hair, ladies. And the hair is so, like, it's super soft, dog. Like, I don't know what the hell. I mean, I feel like they be packaging this stuff like Barbie dolls. You know how you ever get something for your kids and it's like a Barbie? And it's like, you like, damn, I'm having a hard time taking this thing out. So, this is the closure. The closure, I don't like at all. But I think I'm going to work with it because I don't know. And it has this whack part. Look at that. I can't do nothing with that. It's not really like, it's not bad. You know what I'm saying? You can make it work. But the hair is super soft, okay? It's soft. Look at this. Boop. Okay, that's just the closure. I just have a smell like beauty supply store hair, but it's not like stinky. You know, I don't know. It's not too bad. Look at that. Oh. Drop the bundle. This is the 18-inch bundle. And that comes up to me right about here. And that's when it's straight. So, yes. From the reviews that I saw, they said that, I mean, you can make this work. I know I can make this work. I don't know if I'm going to use all of it. But I'm definitely going to use the longer lengths. And, yeah. So, it's pretty true to the length. Now, each bundle, as you know, ladies, 2 bundles make 1 full bundle, okay? So, that's what 2 bundles make. And again, the hair is it's soft, you guys. Like, it is pretty soft. This is Baddie on a budget, okay? I mean, seriously. Y'all know how we spend our money on hair. I mean, of course, this is the 16. Again. Skirt. Okay. Skirt. And look at that. Look at that luster. So you can straighten this hair. You can bleach this hair. You can perm this hair. That's what it says on the package. Dye, bleach, perm. Okay. Now, I won't be doing all that. I'm not dyeing. I'm not bleaching. Damn sure ain't perming. So, what you see is what you get, okay? So stay tuned, hippies. Don't be going too long, because I'll be right back, okay?